DaemonSets. A daemon set ensures that the specific pod runs in all or selected nodes in the cluster. So daemon set is an example of a deployment where you want to run a particular service or a pod on every node or a group of nodes. A classic example of this could be a log collection, monitoring, or compliance related pod, or any security related pod as well. Because using this deployment, what you can make sure that anytime if you're adding a new node to the cluster, that pod will automatically get deployed to the particular node. And whenever you remove or add a selection group, the pod will automatically get scheduled by the Kubernetes. So this way you don't have to worry about that, okay, I added a node, do I have all my monitoring, logging, and compliance related pod running or not? So this is a very handy way of doing it. In this diagram, you can see that we have bunch of worker nodes 0, 1, and 2. They are all running their respective apps. And what we can do is using daemon set, we can ensure that the required pods are running in all the nodes. Now let's jump to a hands-on session. Here is an example of a daemon set Nginx container. We are taking Nginx because it's very easy to deploy and run. So you can see here the kind is DaemonSet and the name of the DaemonSet itself is called Nginx DaemonSet. So you can query it later on. And the name and the level is also Nginx just to make it easy, because these levels can get really complicated when you are actually deploying on a very complicated environment using Helm chart or other things. But for example, illustration purpose, you can simply use Nginx, or you can play around with a Prometheus pod where you have bunch of node exporter running, and a Prometheus pod is getting all the scrape information from there. This is a very classic and production ready use case. So let's go ahead and deploy this particular deployment. So it's deployed. I can do a get PO. And key thing I want to do is that if I do void, so I can see on I have two nodes running right now in the cluster, and on each of the node I have one daemon says added. If I tomorrow or maybe later on, if I decided to add a new node into this particular cluster, that Nginx will automatically get deployed. And if you want to see the content of it, as usual, we can simply deploy a Nginx load balancer, because right now I'm using a public cloud for this particular example. So if you want to use the endpoint, so there are two ways you can use it. Either you can use a kubectl port forward, or you can deploy a load balancer as well. If I query it, you can see it's right now in pending. It takes few seconds, and once it is up and running, next time if I run, it will show me the IP address, and then I can query for it. Now I can see the load balancer has been deployed. Usually in public cloud, it takes some time. It could take a couple of minutes to load it. And now if I just go to this endpoint, I should be able to see my Nginx running. See, I can see in public IP, the Nginx is up and running. That was a demonstration of a daemon set with Nginx.